Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix THERMOMIX TM6 frozen or unresponsive touchscreen. It is normal for your ThermoMix not to respond to touch for the first 10 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds after power on. Sometimes it may happen, it's totally okay. Then also it is normal if you are in a recipe. I'll go to recipe. My touchscreen works currently, but yeah, let's go to any kind of recipe. And now, as you can see, when I click on next, sometimes it may not respond to that next button. In that case, you just may want to wait 2 additional seconds and try pressing it for longer and a bit harder. The next button is the most used place on your display, so it may get a little worn out. And also, it has a lock of like not using so that you don't accidentally press on it twice and skip a step. Yeah, but if the display still doesn't work properly, then if there's a factory film on your display, you may want to remove it. You may also sometimes if your device was exposed to very cold temperatures, there may be some condensation under the screen. You may need to leave the device for about 12 hours in room temperature until it gets to this normal temperature. And for that, I recommend unplugging the device so nothing else breaks. To unplug it, first make sure your device is turned off. So press and hold on the power button. And even if it wasn't exposed to cold temperatures, I recommend turning it off first, then unplugging it for about half a minute. But if it was exposed to cold temperatures, then for 12 hours, not half a minute. And then plug it back in and turn it on. That may help it. If for some reason it's so frozen you can't even turn off the device, then unplug it before turning off. But in most cases, if you are able, first turn it off, then unplug it. And also make sure that your screen is clean, especially if you have wet fingers because you're cooking. Just wipe it off if you can to prevent some phantom presses. I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.